Steel is produced from raw materials, iron ore, coal and some ferritic alloys. Most iron ore is surface mined and most coal is deep mined. The quality of the raw material and the ease of accessibility are critical in the economics of steelmaking. ArcelorMittal are the only integrated steelmaker in the world, having mining activities that enable the group to attain 45% self-sufficiency in iron ore, to be increased to 75% by 2014, creating a strong competitive advantage. Prior to being sent through to the blast furnace, coal and iron need to be prepared. Iron ore is carefully separated in different grades in order to obtain an optimum mix. Then the fine iron ore grain is processed in a sintering plant to be transformed into a coarse-grained iron ore sinter. At the other end, coal is sent through a coke oven where it transforms into almost pure carbon coke. During that process, coal loses all of its impurities, thus becoming an adequate combustible for the iron ore. The mixture of iron ore and coke is then sent to the blast furnace. Reaching temperatures of 1400 Celsius, it's the combustion of coke that enables the iron to melt. This molten iron is then transported in torpedo cars from the blast furnace to the basic oxygen converter, where it becomes steel. At this stage, a precise amount of scrap and alloys are added to create specific steel grades. Steel is the most recycled product in the world, and 12% of the steel produced in ArcelorMittal comes from recycled steel. Along with being used to charge the basic oxygen converter, scrap is melted directly into new steel in an electric arc furnace. Numerous tests are conducted on the molten steel to make sure that the required composition is achieved. It is only then that the molten steel is delivered to a ladle. From the ladles, the molten steel is poured into the continuous casters to make primary products, slabs and blooms. After primary forming, the steel is further treated to meet end product requirements. ArcelorMittal is the only producer offering the full range of steel products and services. From commodity steel to value-added products, from long products to flat, from standard to specialty products, from carbon steel to stainless steel and alloys, ArcelorMittal offers a complete spectrum of steel products and supports it with continuous investment in process and product research, guaranteeing high-quality products for all its customers.